For experienced sailors, there's no better way to capitalize on your time this summer than by getting out on the water, under full sail, with the wind at your back, and the British Virgin Islands on the horizon. Geared towards sailors with significant experience or certifications, this specialized program allows you to expand your sailing abilities while also ushering you into the mesmerizing world of scuba diving for the first time. Your adventure takes place on board one of our 50-foot monohull sailing yachts, where you and 11 other shipmates will become a tight-knit crew as you manage the ebb and flow of life at sea. Under the stewardship of our expert sailing instructors, your days will start and end on board as you work and train as the very crew responsible for guiding your vessel around the BVI. Through every tack and jibe and the charting of each new course, you'll be putting sail theory, navigation, and helming skills into practice for an unparalleled seafaring education, earning your AQ Advanced Sailing and IYT VHF Radio Operator certifications. And when the sails come down, we can assure you the action doesn't stop there. You'll be gearing up for another kind of adventure with our scuba instructors. Completing the introductory level PADI open water course, you'll be ready to apply some of the teamwork and discipline you learned topside to aid your discoveries below. There will also be plenty of time to explore when we make landfall, with day hikes and beach excursions. You'll also get some practice in on a wakeboard or water skis, along with a number of other water sports. All while you hang out with your new friends, soaking up everything the BVI has to offer. Not only does Polaris provide you the tools to excel both above and below the surface, but more importantly, the knowledge that you revel in the face of new challenges. Because with ActionQuest, your empowerment is the true measure of success.